Hi all, so welcome to this channel, and in this video session I'll discuss copy from stream file command, that is copy FRMSTMF command to copy data from a stream file to the database file member. So we have another command which is copy to STMF, that is copy to stream file, which basically copies data from a database file member to the stream file. For that I already created a video, as you can see, copy to stream file, this one, to copy database file member to the stream file in IBM IS100. So now this command, that's opposite, that is copy from STMF, which basically copies from stream file to the database file member. That is the inverse of the copy to STMF. So now I'll be showing you the demo for this. The main important thing here is to locate the file member using the qsys.lib, then the library name and the file name dot file member name dot member. So I will be showing you two things, the automatic conversion and the no conversion takes place within the stream file and the database file. So let me show you. So I already had the files which were copied here, that is copy to stream file using copy to STMF command. Now I'm going to use this copy from STMF command to copy this source member which is there in the stream file to the actual source member. So let's use copy FRMSTMF command. Just take F4 here and take from stream file, that's stream file name, so that's slash home slash easy class. So this is the path of the IFS location, that is my current directory, and then the copy to STMF1, that's the file name which is there in the IFS. I'm going to copy this to the qsys.lib slash easy class 1.lib, that's the library, and let's give the source physical file name is ddl2 slash, let's say I'm going to copy this on to the member1.mbr. just press enter. So member option, so here I can either provide add or replace, so I'll be providing, let's say, replace for now. Convert data, that's the automatic conversion takes place, just take F1. So if I would take this, that's the data is converted in the copy operation using the coded characters, that the CCS ID of the stream file and the database file. So if it is a difference between these two, then that's conversion took place. Stream file CCS ID is STMF I'm going to use, so CCS ID which is going to be associated with the with this stream file when it gets created, and that's for the IBM standard PCSI. That's not the IBM standard, that's the Microsoft standard, and we can provide other than that CCS ID 12655533. We cannot provide 65535 for this because we cannot even copy 65535 CCS ID database file member to the stream file, and here we cannot have 65535 because we cannot copy from a stream file to a database file member having the CSS ID 65535. So we can specify a star file here with the options. Just press enter. End line format. So we can specify here the CRLF LF. So let's specify CRLF here. Table expansion, so I don't want to insert the tab expansion characters to the source physical file member, so I would be taking yes here, sorry. So you can see stream file object copied to the object, stream file copied to the object. So you can see the full message here. The stream file this was successfully copied to this member. So this member was not present there, so this is created, and CSS ID would be 273 here, which is of a stream file. So let's see. So that's not the one we copied to the DDS2 DDL2. So you can see member 1 is copied. This could be happen that the source, the sequences would not be in the same, would not be in sync. So you can then perform the reorganize PFM command onto this source physical file to reorganize everything. Because we don't have the source sequences or date, so we cannot see those information copied here. So we have the source data, so we can see the source data is copied successfully, as you can see here. So let's delete this so that we can again check whether we are correct or not. So let's see. So this is created, so whatever there in the IFS, so we copied it here into the source member. So now you got to know that the you can see that we use the command copy to STMF to copy the source physical file member, the database file member, to the stream file, and then we again use the inverse command, that is copy from IMP from STMF, copy to STMF and copy from STMF. So copy from STMF copies it back to the database file member from the stream file. So if it is not present, the member not present, it gets created successfully. Let's copy with some no conversion, so we can specify star table is that when we specify star table, we need to specify the table conversion table here, the path of the conversion table, like the same we provided here. So we are not using any conversion table right now, and so we'll be providing none here to specify no conversion took place. And the member name should be let's say this time member 2. We don't have member 2 there, so let's stream file object copied work member pdm. So you can see member 2 got created successfully. So if I opt for option add here, so it will be added to the member 2 because we added to the member 2. So you can see it's the source is started and its end here star and LR on and end free, then again it copied or added to after that. So you can see that we can offer both the options, but better to take replace one so that we always have the latest member if we are copying the source members from the IFS. So in this video now you got to know that how we can copy back the stream file which is present on the IFS to the database file member, that's a source physical file member, so which is being copied using the copy to STMF command. So these are two commands, copy from STMF and copy to STMF, which are used inversely to perform the opposite actions. So let's so that's all in this video.